it's been a while, but your girl has been thinking of ideas, and I have decided to open up the Bora Bora Resort. And like, I've been playing on this plot a lot, but I never did a video. So we gonna do a video. Like, every time I open it, it does pretty good. So we just gonna open it. We gonna put in the chat in all caps. We gonna say, Bora Bora Resort now open, and we are gonna throw a little party, and we just gonna see who come. I got my paper and stuff so I can write down who comes and like how many nights they stay, all that type of stuff, because people be trying to get over on your girl, and I just cannot deal with that. Okay, somebody private chatted. I'm gonna say pizza side. And then somebody is out here. Let me go help them. Prices. And I tried to make it like as cheap as possible, but I think it's pretty reasonable. But like the bills are like $3,000. So I'm gonna ask her how many nights. Let me start writing her name down. Be $300. So she checked in Sunday. I'm gonna just say at 5. Ooh, jump over the counter, girl. Okay. And this is gonna be hers. You guys already seen the tour, so make sure you check that out. Let me give her perms. Guest. And unlock this. And enjoy. Say, would you like to stay? Question mark. Okay, so what I need to do now is change everybody who does not stay here, change their permissions, because I did throw a little party. Okay, so we're doing pretty good right now. We have 2 people staying here. Wait a minute, both people left. Like, the Taze girl left and the other girl left. Since they left, I'll just show you what I do. I clean the room and get it ready for the next person. I lock it because people love going in other people's rooms, and then they be like, oh, get out my room, get out my room. So down here is good. The bed is made. I go upstairs. I make sure there's no food laying around. I make sure the shower door is closed. I make sure this is closed. I make sure the TV is off. One time someone left food on this counter right here. It's just kind of slow right now because normally it be so many people coming. And like yesterday I should have been recording because yesterday was such a good day. Like I had people actually waiting to come to the Bora Bora Resort. I will reopen it and like hopefully more people will come. But I'm just gonna end it here. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share this video with everyone you know. Let me know what more videos you want me to do. I'm gonna be opening up all of my plots. I've been building other plots as well, so stay tuned for that. But yes, I will see you guys in the next video.